Most important thing I love this place is the open sky. You can view the sky, stars positions, planet whichever is coming. You can see from here also. You can go to 4th floor and see early morning which are the planets coming, and those. I enjoy those things actually. And here especially recently I have spotted one of the mango trees just flowering. They're just 1 year old plant, so I can show you that. This is the first flower here, and then something is coming. One more spot was there. One can enjoy the evening, early morning, etc.